Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making... Okay guys, so these are all the ingredients that we're going to use in order to make our mango chutney. So here I have 4 mangoes. These are semi-ripe mangoes that I have cut up here. I have a bunch of cilantro. If you can get shadow beni, you can use that, but I don't have shadow beni. If I had shadow beni, I would have much preferred to use that, but I'm going to use what I have. So I'm going to use some cilantro. I have some water here. I have ginger garlic paste that I have here. This is 1 tablespoon of that. I have 1 tablespoon of rice wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder. This is a type of sugar, raw cane sugar. I have 1 teaspoon of pink salt, and I'm also going to be adding 1 apple to my mango chutney. So this is going to be a no cook mango chutney, because there is another way of doing mango chutney where you actually would cook it, but this one is, I'm not going to be cooking this one. So let's get started and putting everything together. So guys, this blender, I had just did some ginger garlic paste in it, so that's why you see all these contents in it. I'm not going to wash it out because this would just add to the flavor of my mango chutney, but I would leave a link in the description showing you how I made my ginger garlic paste. Okay guys, so I tasted my mango chutney, and for me I wanted a little sweeter, so I will add a little more of the jaggery powder to it, or like I said, if you don't have that, you can just use regular sugar, but I would add a little more sugar to my own to make it a little sweeter. So this, you make it to your taste, to your preference. Okay guys, so there you have it, our delicious mango chutney. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.